these buses today, as you can see, we made it clear that students from primary schools to secondary school up to tertiary institutions of our state will use these buses free, as well as our workers and retirees. And of course, other citizens of Kaduna State will also benefit. They will pay only 40% of the normal cost of transportation. What we mean by 60% is that where they're supposed to pay 100 naira in the normal commercial buses, using these buses, they will pay only 40 naira. That's about 60% subsidy. And the reason why we're doing that is simply because we promise that we will try as much as possible as a government to subsidize transportation in our state, support our teeming population, particularly the downtrodden of our people, because we know the situation, particularly economic situation, the people of our own state are facing.
Welcome. 109 naira for the journey for this corridor. When you are going out, tap. For instance, if you decide not to go, I need to show.
Bona, come on, station is Sunday. Close the door.
Okay. Okay.
To avoid that crowd. Yes. And Angama, see, I interview come.
Tap out, then you calculate the exact kilometers you use and return back your money back to your wallet.
Thank you. Okay. Go back soon. Like say you want improvement of ana gani wallahi ana gani Allah ana gani kamar ana gani za a gani reaction da mutane ga gwamnati ai ba kaga inda mutane da very happy
We're going to enjoy a free ride from home to our working places and while coming back. We are happy, we are delighted, and we want to say thank you, Your Excellency, for fulfilling your promise. I can remember when we started, when this government started, we started on this very good note. And to God be the glory, today we have seen the reality. His Excellency has walked the talking. We just now alighted the bus, we went around, and as I'm talking now, workers are enjoying this, the benefit of this scheme. I want to promise His Excellency, he will see an increase in our productivity. We'll do more. We'll do more services to good people of Kaduna State, and we promise him to be loyal, to be accountable, and to do more and more and more.
We must to appreciate His Excellency for this gesture, because the pensioners in the state are the most vulnerable persons, because we are the aged persons. If at least based on the mega pension that we are receiving of 30,000 naira, if the subsidy is being reduced, or we are going to enter at least bus free of charge, I think that's one of the best things that the governor can be able to do for this for now. So we really, on the behalf of the entire pension of Kaduna State, we are saying a big thank you to His Excellency. And one very good thing which we are going to appreciate also with this opportunity, within just 2 years of His Excellency, he has given 10.5 billion naira for the payment of gratuity and death benefit, which is in the history of Kaduna State. Within 2 years, no any governor have made this thing possible. So, Your Excellency, we are saying a big thank you to you, sir. And we hope all the pensioners in Kaduna State are going to be paid, especially those who are yet to receive their benefit, within your first tenure, sir. We hope all of them, they are going to receive their own benefit.
Very happy because this day that this CNG car that buses came in, so we have to this will help us to improve in our education. Like so at times you don't have money to come to school, maybe transport issues, so this CNG buses will increase, will help students in their transport activities.